If you're planning to start a business in Virginia, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Virginia even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Virginia? Well, for one, you have personal liability protection. That means if your business faces any trouble, like your personal savings, home, and other assets are generally protected. Of course, you have flexible management and tax options. You can choose how your business is taxed, giving you the ability to select the structure that works best for your financial situation. And of course, you have an affordable and straightforward process. Where the process is simple and easy to follow, it makes it everyone accessible even for first-time business owners. And it's ideal for small and medium-sized business. It's a popular choice for entrepreneurs because it combines liability protection, flexibility, and ease of maintenance, making it perfect for growing ventures. First, you'll need to pick a name for your LLC. Now, your business name must be unique in Virginia. It should include Limited Liability Company or LLC or L.C. or maybe LTD. And you want to make sure to avoid restricted words like incorporated, corporation, bank, insurance, or any government agency names. Now, if you have a specific business in your mind and you want to check the availability, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Virginia State Corporation Commission or SCC website, type in your desired name, and if there is no matching results, that means the name is available and good to go. You can also reserve your business name for $10 to hold it for 120 days, ensuring your chosen name is secure. Next is you'll need to choose a registered agent for your Virginia LLC. This is a legal requirement in the state of Virginia, and every LLC must have one to make sure the business can receive official and legal communications. Now, they should have a physical street address in Virginia. PO boxes are not allowed, and they need to be available during normal business hours to receive documents. Now, if you want to have an option, say for example, if you wanted to be your own agent, you can do that for as long as you meet the state legal requirements. But what we highly suggest is, of course, to hire a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now, it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. Of course, there are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, and the official registration is going to be set on the Virginia State Corporation. There is going to be a filing fee of $100, which is required, with expedited options available for an additional cost. Now, these are going to be some of the required information: LLC name and principal office address, registered agent's name, address, and qualification details, and must be signed by your organizers to finalize the submission. You can simply go to the website of Virginia State Corporation Commission. Of course, you can simply file that online for the fastest processing and immediate confirmation. Once submitted and approved, your LLC is officially registered in Virginia, and you're one step closer to being fully up and running. Virginia doesn't require an operating agreement, but you should absolutely have one. An operating agreement explains the ownership percentage, member responsibilities, profit and loss distribution, what happens if someone leaves the LLC, Even single-member LLCs benefit from having this in writing. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Another crucial step to forming your LLC is to register for Virginia state taxes and licenses. Now, depending on what your business does and the industry you are in, you may also need additional permits or specialized license. And do not forget to check your local city or county requirements. Making sure you meet all the regulations is very crucial to operate your business legally and avoid any penalties. Now, one of the most important thing is to complete and submit the Form R1 by going to the Virginia Department of Taxation to officially register your LLC for state taxes. Once you're done, your LLC will be properly registered and ready to operate in Virginia. Once your LLC is officially registered, your work doesn't stop there because staying compliant is essential to keep your business active and protected. Now, let's go with the annual registration first. Each year, you must file the report and pay the required $50 fee before the deadline because missing this deadline can cause serious compliance issues. And make sure your business information is up to date. Keeping accurate records help ensure you continue receiving important legal and state notices because, for example, you change your registered agent or principal office address, you must properly update these details with the commission. And of course, you need to comply with all the business regulations. It includes all the state laws, local business requirements, and any rules specific to your industry. Because remember, failing to maintain good standing can lead to penalties or even admin dissolution of your LLC. So staying organized and proactive will help keep your business running smoothly and legally. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Virginia. Now, the good news is if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And that's it on how to register an LLC in Virginia, which is relatively straightforward, affordable, and business-friendly compared to many other states, especially if you follow the step-by-step process and stay on top of your yearly compliance. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.